Hi, my name is Chris, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these little grocery bags from the printable that I've put on my gumroad. So here I have the printed out version. This is an earlier version, so the one on the gumroad won't be completely the same, but in essence it's the same thing. So I'm just gonna trim off the excess first. And then the first step is to pre-fold all of these vertical lines. So all of the lines going this way. Okay, so there's two in the middle, two on this side, and one on this side, and this is the A flap. So if I turn it, this one is going to go under that one, like that. So I will just glue that together, apply adhesive to this side. And then just fold that over. Okay. Okay, and then I will fold it flat this way. The next step is to fold along this top horizontal line. And then open it back up. And then we're going to do this and make it into a diamond shape. And then we have to fold the top and the bottom flaps a little past center. So I'll use this line up here as a guide to fold it downwards. And you see it folds and it hits this line perfectly. Then I'll fold this one up the same way. And then I will glue this flap to here. And then all we have to do is open the bag. And you have to pop open the corners here. So I'll get my fingers there. And then I like to just pinch the crease here a little bit. And there. And if you wanted the hole, then you would cut this out, preferably beforehand, probably. Okay, so if you wanted these little handles, then what you would need to do is get 2 more strips of paper, and you can fold it in half, or you can, do whatever you want. Fold it in half lengthwise to get the extra support. So something like that. And then you fold this one up. Fold this up. And then you'd glue it to the inside. This is too long. Thank you for watching. This is the tutorial to the grocery bag template that I have in my Gumroad. It's free and it's in addition to the grocery sticker packs that I sell in my Etsy shop, which is also in the description. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check it out. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.